Year 10, we're going to be looking at rounding. If you want to have a quick go at this starter, it should only take you a few minutes. Write down your questions. Simplify 10 over 12. Calculate 256 divided by 4. Work out 8 plus 2 multiplied by 4. And what is the rule of the sequence? So what's happening between those numbers? Okay, if you want to have a quick go at that starter. Right. 10 over 12, how can we simplify it? What number goes into both 10 and 12? 2, nothing else that I know of. So if we want to simplify that, we would simplify it to 5 over 6. Calculate 256 divided by 4. Bus stop method if we want to do it. 256 inside the bus stop. 4 into 2 doesn't go. 4 into 25 goes 6 times, remainder 1. 4 into 16 goes 4 times. So your solution is 64. Work out 8 plus 2 times 4. Right, so it's a big maths question, isn't it? Brackets, indices, divisions, multiplication, distance, subtraction. So the first operation that we've got to perform is the multiplication. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 gives us 16 as our result. What is the rule of this sequence? Fairly straightforward. The sequence increases in value by 3 each time. That's all that's meant by the rule of that sequence. It is no more difficult than that, ladies and gents. So that's your starter completed. Hopefully that's a little bit clearer for you now. Right, what are we looking at today? We're looking at rounding. So let's quickly get forward onto what we really want to be concentrating on. Investigate the rounding of numbers. That is your topic for today. Straight off, what is rounding in mathematics? What does it mean? Reducing the digits in a number while trying to keep its value similar. So we're trying to make the number easier to work with by reducing the number of digits. Let's have some zeros in there, but let's make the number easier to work with. Why is it useful? Exactly as I said, it makes our life easier. That's what rounding is all about. Trying to make life easy for you, not make it more difficult. First example, rounded to 10 and 100. So let's have a little look there. Rounding these numbers. It says round these numbers to the nearest 10. What's the 10? The 6 is the values of 10, so if we round to the nearest 10, 768, 770 is the nearest 10, isn't it? 745, 750 is the nearest 10. 7933, it's that 3 that is the tens, the values of tens, so 7,930. 4,320. 5,000. Oh no, what's going to happen here? So the nearest 10 is going to be, what's the rule? We're rounding to 10. Look at the number afterwards. Is it greater than or equal to 5? We round up, so it goes up to 770. That 6 becomes a 7. That 4 has got to become a 5 because the number that is after it is a 5. So 5 or more, round up, 750. 3, the number after it is a 3, stays the same. 1, the number after it is a 9, so we round up. Number after the 9 here is a 5, so we round up. But if we round that 9 up, it becomes 10, so we've got to go to 5,600. Right, rounded to the nearest 100. So, 500. 3,900, because the 8 represents hundreds. We've got a 5 immediately after it, so we've got to round up. 4,800. 6 immediately follows the 9, which is the hundreds, so we're rounding up to 5,000. 4 is the hundreds, 4 after it, 3,400. That should be revision for all of you ladies and gents. Hopefully you found that fairly straightforward. Now, what I'm more interested in making sure, rounded decimal places, this is something you're going to have to do in your calculations on a regular basis. You need to understand rounded decimal places. So, an example there. Rounding means reducing the digits in a number while trying to keep its value similar. Same as what I said earlier on. You're trying to make life easier for yourself. So 3.78 rounded to 1 decimal place. The 7 is the digit after the decimal place, so that's your digit, the first decimal place. Is it affected by the 8 that's afterwards? Is that 8 5 or more? If so, you've got to round up. So that 7 is rounded up to 8. So your solution is 3.8. That's the key factor. Is this number 5 or more? Then you've got to round up. Another example, rounding to 1 decimal place again. The 7 is that first decimal place. Is it affected by the 4 that follows? That 4, is it 5 or more? No, it's less than 5. So that 7 is not affected, it stays the same. It's not rounded up. That is rounding that 5.749 to 1 decimal place at 5.7. Right, to 2 decimal places, same sort of process. First decimal place, second decimal place, is that 8 affected by the 9? Yes it is. So 4.69 is our result. So look at a few examples here. So give yourself a little bit of practice. Rounding to 1 decimal place this column, rounding to 2 decimal places this column. Maybe pause the presentation and have a go at those for yourself. Right, rounding to 1 decimal place, 4.6. 1 decimal place, 13.9. 1 decimal place, now 20.95. The 9 is 1 decimal place. Is it affected by the 5 afterwards? Yes it is. So it's got to be rounded up. If you add 1 to 9, it becomes 10. So to 1 decimal place, 21.0. You've got to have that digit after the decimal place. Okay? Because it's asked you to do it to 1 decimal place, so your answer must go to 1 decimal place. To 1 decimal place, 113.9. To 1 decimal place, 286.4. To 1 decimal place, 0.7. 2 decimal places, 2.57, 10.29, 34.69, 343.88, 483.44. Don't forget this is all to 2 decimal places, and 0.53 to 2 decimal places. Okay, let's move on. Significant figures. So this is a different type of rounding. This is really important. I've made a note of this. The first significant figure is the first non-zero digit. That is a really, really important principle. first significant figure. You had the number 121. The first significant figure is that 1. You had the number 2,418. The first significant figure is that 2. But bearing this important point in mind here, if you had the number 0.00241, the first significant figure, first non-zero digit. So the first significant figure is that 2 there. That's the really important point you must bear in mind. Okay, so examples to one significant figure. 164. That's your first significant figure, the 1. Is it affected by the 6 that follows it? Yes, it is, because it's 5 or more. So to one significant figure, 200. To one significant figure, the 1 is your first significant figure. Is it affected by the 2 after it? No. So to one significant figure, it rounds to 10. Now, here we go. First significant figure, first non-zero digit. It's that 2. Is it affected by the 4 afterwards? No. So to one significant figure, 0.002. To one significant